Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in the last video you saw Connor and I did the gear up stretch kit on his 2023 Benelli TNT 135, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing out the front sprocket from a 15 tooth to the 14 tooth sprocket in the front. And as you can see over here, there's a little plastic cover that has, are they a couple of 10 mils?
They are 8 mil. One on top and one on bottom.
Two 8 mil bolts that you need to remove. That's going to allow us to get to the front sprocket. And if you guys are interested in this front sprocket here, I'll have the part number down in the description. Big shout out to Man in the Box for sourcing this front sprocket for us. All right, there's two 10 millimeter bolts that go on to the actual front sprocket. And there's or you can tell them.
So on the front of the sprocket, there's this little metal piece you'll see. It has two tabs that are folded up around the actual bolt. They're folded up, so you're gonna have to use a flathead or something and just bend them back down in order to get a 10 mil socket around there. And it's to keep, this little tab is to keep the bolts from spinning out.
Yeah.
All right, also on this final, this was the last piece of like washer almost that was sitting on here. So it actually is, wait 1 second. So it's actually like cut out for the actual gear. And then to get it off, you have to spin it a little bit and then you can slide it off. Now this I'll hold on to in case I ever want to go back to 50.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. Alright, here is the new 14 tooth front sprocket that we're going to be using, and then there is the old 15 tooth factory one for the Benelli. Gosh, we're already showing her.
Mm-hmm. It's from the chain. I was about to say, we got a problem.
It doesn't fit.
I didn't think it did. Oh shit, why did I do that? I need to put the chain on first.
Do you think it matters which way it goes?
I don't think so. Because there's nothing, this sprocket obviously doesn't screw into there anyway. So I don't think it really matters. So pretty much once you have this little golden lock one on there, you're gonna have another cutout one that's just a spacer that goes on over that. That one doesn't have to get locked in. And then you've got a blank plate, and that holds, this allows the sprocket not to slide forward or back. It keeps it pretty much locked in one spot.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So we just got done with the front sprocket. So we're going to take it out on a little test ride, see how it does, my initial thoughts, etc. Did run into a little, think the chain is loose. Alright, y'all, we're gonna do that one more time. I think it was just something didn't feel right on the initial pull, but it definitely feels way more responsive. It's way jerkier off the line, which is nice. So we'll give that another shot here. Oh yeah, way more acceleration. She definitely has more acceleration, which is nice, but it's not uncontrollable. We do plan on doing a larger, going up 1, maybe 2 teeth in the rear as well to get more acceleration. I'm okay sacrificing top end for acceleration, just for the fact that where we're at, it's a lot of small town, we're never on the highway. I don't really need to be able to do 60 miles an hour. So but overall, I like going down in the tooth. We initially thought about going down 2, but I didn't want it to be too much. So I think going down 1 in the front and up 1 in the rear will be a happy, a good balance of acceleration without losing too much top end. And like I said, I'll probably end up going from being able to do realistically 60 to maybe 50, 55, which I'm 100% okay with. I got a big bike for going fast. Oh my gosh, traffic around here is ridiculous. I've lost a little bit of top end just with doing this 1 gear change, or dropping 1 tooth, but like I said, it's not terrible. But overall, y'all, super happy with it. It was super easy, way more easy than kind of figured it would be. But let us know if there's anything else to the Benelli y'all want us done, and we'll catch you next time.
All right, so as you guys just saw in the last clip, that was we strapped the GoPro onto the helmet, and that was Connor's thoughts and comments on what the 14 tooth front sprocket is going to be. And the whole reason why we did the 14 tooth front sprocket is at the Barber Small Bore event, which is June 9th, 10th, and 11th. Connor and I are going to be there, and we both are going to be participating in the spectator or the drag races that are being held by Yoshimura. And Connor obviously wants to win his class, so that's what we set this up for. If you're interested in getting the same 14 tooth front sprocket, we'll have a link down in the description. Thank you, Man in the Box, for sourcing that for us. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.